Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about my theme that I'm using right now. I decided to actually talk about the themes that I install because I get so many requests of what is the background pictures you've got, the wallpaper. I want to have the link, I want to know where you got them. And they're all themes that I get from the Microsoft Store. So every time I'll have a new theme, I'll actually um, post a video and tell you which one it is. So what I'm using right now is a theme from Microsoft. Almost all the ones that I use are from Microsoft. So to get the themes, you go into your settings. In your settings, you go to personalization. In personalization, on the left side, you've got themes. And this theme is called an African Safari. So to get themes, you just go to get more themes in the Microsoft Store. It brings you to the themes page. And this is the one I've got, an African Safari. I click on it, and of course you install it from here. It has several pictures, and I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so screenshots are here. So you see these animals. These are screenshots from the package. You've got only 3 pictures here that you see, but there's 20 pictures overall in this package. It also applies a different look, feel. So you see that you go from white theme to the back from the dark theme to the white theme or the light theme, and it is very, very nice. There's a lot of beautiful pictures in it. What you see here is one of them, but there's a lot more than that. So you just click install or download, and then you click apply. It doesn't work here most of the time when I click apply. So what you could do is, once you have actually downloaded the theme and your settings, simply double click on it. It will apply the changes immediately to your computer. So an African Safari, this is the theme that I'm using right now. You can get it free of charge on the Microsoft Store. So most of the themes that I've been using are from there. To give you an idea, a lot of people ask me what the different themes are. As of now, the ones that I've installed quite a few, but Bing Fall Colors, Bing Sunshine, Melting Ice, Meteor Showers, Sync Theme. Up in the Sky is the one that I actually had just before. A lot of people have been asking me, oh, those background with the airplane pictures. They're nice. U.S. National Parks is very beautiful. World National Parks is also very nice. So you can, of course, install these themes from the store, and it's really nice to have these themes available. When you have themes that you don't want anymore, because they do take a certain amount of space, you can right click on a theme, and there's a delete button where you click delete, and it removes that theme from your PC. One last thing, of course, if you have multiple Windows 10 machines, it might want to sync some of these themes with other machines, something to know about. And the pictures every now and then will rotate, and you'll have different pictures in the background for these different themes. So an African Safari, if you want to have the themes, if you're wondering all the pictures, you'll see them in the next. I basically will change theme once a week, so expect this video once a week for knowing which theme that I've just installed on my PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.